Welcome home to Suite 210 at 2520 Manitoba Street. Offering a fabulous one-bedroom and den suite at The View in the heart of Mount Pleasant. The multi-use den could be used for an office, extra storage, or even a nursery. This corner suite is nearly 800 square feet and showcases a functional open floor plan, a stylish kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island perfect for entertaining guests. The suite comes with in-suite laundry, secured parking, and a storage locker. There is also a large south-facing patio, ideal for those with a green thumb, and enough room to host fun summer barbecues. The master bedroom includes custom built-in cabinetry and a huge walk-in closet. You're in an unbeatable location with great restaurants and cafes just steps away, and only 10 minutes to the SkyTrain station and to Olympic Village.